town on Scratch. Now let's delete this and write vertical town. Or like a link. Now let's delete this and see this button over here, like choose a sprite. That says choose a sprite. Now choose people over here. Now you can choose anything you want. I'm choosing. Oh, that was weird. I'm choosing Abby. She's my favorite. Now let's put her in the corner for a while, or let's hide her. In the looks category, there's a button like there's a block called hide. Put it in the code area and click it once, so she disappears from the she's hiding. So now the backdrops. See here? There's nothing. It's white, blank. But you can make a backdrop of your own. So like I'm making this. A green, get green color, any green shade you want, and then get the square category and you drag it from this side to that side. So now the whole screen is like green. Now get any color you want from here. Yep, that's what. No. Now let that be there. Now get this brush and get any color, any color you want. And you can choose any size. I'm picking like a really big size because I want it really big. Oh, it can't go more. So now just scribble like this and you've got the path over here. I want it to be more like draw another line and you've got a bigger path. If you don't like it, see this eraser tool or make it more easier. See this mouse button over here and click this and click delete. Now your path is deleted and you can make a new one. There, now like that. Now you can make anything besides the path. So let me get a blue color. A little bit this. And just scribble over here. And now you've got a lake. If you want to make another background, you can. Okay. I was gonna sneeze, but no. See over here? Not this button. You can also click on this button or this one. See, choose a background. Backdrop. Don't click on that. Click. Just hover the mouse over there and go up and click paint. So this is another backdrop. You can make anything over here. But what I want is more grass. And then over here, yep, we're in the squares. And yes, another thing. Now let's because I'm gonna make this a little big. Let's make a house. And the one that's my favorite. See, pick any color you want. No, I want it to be green. Click on anywhere in the screen, or click on any of these buttons. Go back to square. And then pick any color. You're in the squares, right? And make a rectangle like this. Now pick any other color you like blue or anything, and make another rectangle but smaller. And you've got a house. You can decorate it any way you want. Well, let's make a door. Any color. The door? Okay. I don't want it to be like that. I want it to be blue. Door? The door also can be any color. Like yellow. I'm making it yellow. So now we've got yellow. Put it right over here, and there you go. You've got yourself a house. Now you can make more houses like this, but first, I want to show you a technique. Let's see, click on anything, any part of the house, and then, no, I have to hold shift and click on all the other things. Okay, done. Now copy and paste. You've got yourselves another house. Now let's make the house another shape. I don't know how to do this, but okay, I selected this, so I want this to be pink. The door needs to be or red, and then the same color as this. So you got yourselves two houses. I better remove this thing. There. Now you've got yourself two houses. And let's make another path. And my favorite way to do this, see this? Go to the other backdrop, pick this, and then you've got the same color as the path in the previous backdrop. Now just make a path, and there you go. Now this is your path. So now let's make another backdrop if you want there. This is is the third and final backdrop I'm making. So now, let's go to this, get this thing, and get yourself the green color. And then go to the squares, minimize the screen if you want, and then drag your thing and done! Your backdrop is done like this. So now I want to make a really simple thing. Now let's see. Over here, no, not even a pack. No packs. Let's just get here. Like I said, click on the part of a house. Click on the mouse button. Click on the part of the house. Shift. Copy. Go to the other backdrop and then paste. We've got another house. Now click on the part of the house and then do other colors. What colors you want. I pick red and then yellow. And this side, blue. Done. Now this is the last house. And then if you want to pack, you can do it. But I want a lake and not a house. I do want to move the screen. Let's pick the brush and then I don't like this, and then click on it, delete. Now, let's get the brush again. And then you make yourself a lake. Now all the three backdrops are done. Now let's name this backdrop so I know which is which. Let's see. Pack. No. Pack. And lake. And then this backdrop too. House and pack. Now this, let's see, house, where's the U in the keyboard? House and lake. Now let's go. All the three backdrops are named and everything is good. I don't want to choose a backdrop. So now where does Abby go? We know we hit Abby. So now let's get the show block and then show. she is showing, but I want her to be a little smaller. So see the size thing? Let's see. 89. That's perfect. Now she's small. Now she can go in any of the houses, but we don't want a house. We don't want to go in the house. So, let's see the... When green, no, get 4 of these lots, and let's see, when up arrow pressed, change Y by 10. And if you don't know, Y position tells us how far the sprite is from this side of the screen to that side of the screen, from up to down. So when up arrow is pressed, she goes up. Now we need when down arrow is pressed, she goes down. Now we have to get change Y by 10, but when down arrow is pressed, and up and down are pressed, she goes up because they have the same code. But we need to do this negative 10. Now when down arrow is pressed, she goes down, up and down, up and down. Now she needs to go right and left too. So now let's get this right and this is left. Okay? Now let's see. When right arrow key pressed, change X by 10. X tells you from how far it's from this side of the screen, from that side of the screen. A sprite is. Now when the right arrow is pressed, she goes right. And we need it to be safe. When left arrow is pressed, she has to go minus 10. So left is left, right is right, up is up, and down is down. So now we need to travel more backwards.
You can start the
So let's
recording
get
and let's start.
another thing like arrow. Now right click on this and click duplicate. Now let's get arrow 2. Go to the costumes and switch to arrow B. So they go to opposites. Now let's see.
बोला अंडा वाले के इधर खड़ा है वो
Now
Hi
the
Stacy,
code
क्या शिवांगी, we can see your screen.
is easy.
रुक जा फोन करता हूँ उसको.
When this right click, switch backdrop to previous backdrop. Now when we click this arrow, it goes to the last backdrop.
त्याला कॉन्फरन्स वर घ्या का माझा भाऊ तिकडे उभा आहे बंगारवाल्याकडे पण दिसत नाही त्याला.
Is when this right is click, switch backdrop to next backdrop. See? previous backdrop and then next backdrop. So now we can move Abby and we can go anywhere we want. And this is what I wanted to make today. And you can make so many creations. I'm so excited to see them. Bye.